Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're good today. So what I'm going to show you today is how to use Google Forms. It's too easy. Yes, um, sometimes teachers or something sending you a question, so you don't know how, from here and how. Okay, so it's too easy. I was thinking, I don't know how um how just send me, but our teachers learn me. Look at this. I have made this one. Um so I'm going to show you. Look. So now I made all of this. So now I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, guys? Wait, I want to do just something. Okay. So first of all, what I have to do is to go to Google Drive, Google Form, or I can do another way, something like that. Another way to go here. No Google Drive, you can go down and here. Okay, guys. So what I have to write here, we can write. I will do delete too. I will write 2021 question. Okay, guys. 2021 question. Here, if I want, I just click and it's coming by itself. If I want some description, if I want just channel, so I can do like this. Uh, Copy link address. Where I can do Control V, so I can do this one, his channel, or I can say good luck, good luck. Okay, guys. What is something? Oh, just okay. So here I do some question. This is if you want to move to folder. I mean to do from Google Doc to here or off. Okay, okay, guys. From something. If you want to do star, I can do it star to know this. Like okay. So this is to do something. If I want some here, some image, I can to again to click here and choose image. If I want look at the color, I can change it like that. Okay, I want this one. Choose email. Which image I mean you want? If I said I choose this one, but I can choose another one. I'll choose this one for nothing. Okay, just okay. I can do something like that. Good luck. Here I just writing the question. Here you is the options. You a lot of options. You say no. I want short name because here I'm writing name. Okay, guys. You have to go, if you want to do some image to upload the image, you can click here and to do image. If you want double click here, you see on the same thing like this, but another the same thing. Okay, guys. If you want short answer here, required is mean if you want if the student just say no, I don't want to do the name, they do something another. If you click and after they say they do some bit, it's not sending, because he said he take him to here and said do a name. Okay, this is the important if you need it. Okay, guys, but I think you need it. You should do it. You should need it. Here is to do more question. Okay, guys. Here is important question. Important question is mean to do something here to upload from here to there. Okay. Some if you want from here, just I want this one. I can do this. Okay, guys, you understand? T, it's if you want to write something, description or something. Okay, guys, it's if you want to write something. This is to add some image, just to add some video. If you don't know, if you want to show them how to do this, so you can just do a video here, and they say it, and they say okay. This is to do two slides, like sliders. Okay, guys, I'm going to do Control Z because I don't want. Okay, guys, so let's continue. Here we do choose image. Here private. If you by yourself want to do this, so you go to private. How I show you here. Click, and after it's coming a new like this, you do name and some bit by yourself. Okay, guys. Setting if you want collect emails from a lot of emails. Okay, but I don't want limit to one response. Okay, just one man can do it. Edit after some bit. No, no, they can, because they can change if they do no question. Which sometimes teachers send you some question, online question, so they can after it edit after some bit. They can change the question to the real question, to the real answer key. Okay, guys, so don't click it. See summary chart, and yes, what they got score, their score. Okay, guys, so I do save. Wait, we doesn't finish presentation. Teacher doesn't saw us, so let's come here to here. Okay, guys, make this quiz, because if you want online question, this one I will do more, this one I will do it, that I will do answer key. What does that mean, answer key? Okay, answer key is the online question, how I told you, online rule. Answer key, I want this one just done. Wait, I forget something to do. On 2 point. Okay, done. 2 point. Here I do the question, but I wanted number one. First of all, you have to do just go here quiz, make it save. Okay, guys, after it, no do the answer queue. Okay, I just do it very fast. Okay, guys, don't do it answer key. You have to write something. What is computer? What is computer? Okay, guys, here I can chair for no laptop. Here another option, chair, and here table. For I just do it just to explain you guys. Okay, no, table. Okay, guys, so I do answer queue. After it, if I don't know this one, I just do answer kit, and it's coming by itself. You just click there. How many points? I just do 10. Okay, 10. If I want 11, whatever you want, done. This is 10. Okay, guys, so like this you do online question. If you don't want online question, now you don't want online question, show link to submit another response. Yes, you can click there. Make it quiz. No, now you don't want, because you don't want the online question like this one. This is doesn't online question. Yes, guys, this isn't online question. Yes, guys, so they can do it by themselves answer. This is online question. If you want more question, but by itself, this programs they can write a big something. Multiple choice is to like this. Okay, you understand? Options. uh, Checkbox, what does that mean? Checkbox is do this. You don't want you can do or want to something like that. You understand? But I don't want. I can do this one. No, short answer. Okay, let's continue. File upload. If you want to hear file upload, you can do. This is for nothing. Look, no. Now you can do something like that. But I don't understand what is this because teacher doesn't learn us. If it's that, you can write that. They can here you can write that. If it's time, yeah, they can write time. Okay, understand? Okay, so this is for today, guys. But it's not for today. Wait, I want to show you if you want who is doing it. So it's coming here. You just yes, create a new spreadsheet 2020 2021. You just open it by yourself. For now, what is computer? All score. What is the score? So I want to do it by myself. I want to do it this one. Okay, guys. I do how I told you before to click preview, and I can do it. Okay. My name is Sam. Sam. And I can write here and the father name. Okay, guys. But I forget. It's okay. It's okay. What is laptop? If I do chair, so he told I score 0 because I told you chair. If I do laptop and sunbase, look now. If I go to here, respond now, and you see who is it, his name all, but you can see it here. You see, 10 underscore same laptop. Okay, he do all of it. So guys, you understand, I hope. So if you got here, if you want to see your view score, you can click there, and you see you are got 10 out of 10. Okay, guys. If you want to see to do it again, if you want to see their what the all of them submit another. Okay, guys, if you don't want they can submit another, you can go to setting, how I told you, edit after submit. I think, yes. Okay, guys. Okay, preview. No, no preview. No preview. No, 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 no. Yeah. I got that. Never mind, guys. I just want to tell you this how we did it. So if I do private, so there is, and I can write home. Haptom. Okay. Gira. If he said chair, sunbit, look now, look. I wanna views edit your response. If you want to do another, you can do laptop, but I don't want. I do edit. They can do it edit, but I don't want they can do it edit. So I can do something like that. Okay? See summary charts and okay. If you want to submit another, you can do submit another, and you can do I don't know. I just writing laptop, Sunbeat, and all of them. It's coming to me here. 10,010 score. You see, guys? So this is for today. How to use, but I'm going to show you one thing. One thing. If you want to send someone email, which email? Tsagay, Tasama, or something. You see, there's after it I can do send it to him. So collect emails if you want to collect. Here, if I want to send him to send, so I can do a copy link to go here and to do short user copy, and after I can do WhatsApp, go to my dad, Control V, or you can do a right click paste, and it's coming. After it I can do send, it's coming for him and he can do it, and it's coming to me here, and what he score. Okay guys, so here, so this is for today guys. Okay, this is what how his weight, all of this, how much is it at all. Okay guys, hope you understand my video for today, and this is for today guys. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to do likes to all of my video. Bye guys.